Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Christmas room tour of my room. I did this for Halloween and you guys seem to really like it, so here is a Christmas room tour today. I also have a haul added into it as well. But yeah, also guys, a hashtag notification subscribe for my last week's video is... So please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Christmas room tour haul and a Christmas room tour. I know it's not even Thanksgiving yet, but I've always decorated my room early for Christmas around in the beginning of November, and that's what it is right now. So I thought I'd film it and show it to you guys today. Also, some new room tour updates. I got a new makeup vanity. This was not here in my last room tour, which was my Halloween one. I just got this week and it took me 2 days to build this. But this is the Bow House vanity from Wayfair. It's an Impressions vanity dupe, if you know what that is. It's a very expensive makeup vanity and I didn't want to spend all the money on it, so I got this one and it's amazing. There's so much space in this vanity and I'll go more in depth in the video, but I love the glass top on it. It like shows all my makeup off so well. And I love all the drawers. But that is a new room tour update. Now let's get into the Christmas room tour haul. So my room has been pretty crazy the past week just from building the vanity, but I got all my Christmas stuff out from the basement, which is this right here. Then I went Christmas shopping, of course, because I wanted a few new things in my room. So I'll show you guys some of the new things I got. So here's everything I got from the Dollar Tree. I got candy canes, I got these really cute Christmas trees, and this Christmas decorations. Everything was $1 each, which is amazing. And then I got some holiday tinsel garland I'm gonna put around my window most likely. I love these colors. It's gonna match my room vibe so much. Then I got all this stuff from a bunch of random stores. I got this pillow from Target, this pillow from Home Goods, I believe, this candle from Marshall's. These are actually salt and pepper shakers, but I thought they are so cute for my room. I got these from Home Goods too. So cute, vintage pink Christmas trees. This gingerbread little container I got from Target, same with this plate. Lights from Target, and this really cute gingerbread red blanket from Marshall's. Then I actually got this from Marshall's in December of last year, and I got it on sale. It's this really cute gingerbread house, and it's so adorable, and I thought it would look perfect in my room. Same with this right here. I got this from TJ Maxx about a week ago, and it's like a gingerbread scenery and everything lights up and stuff, and it was like only like $35, so I had to get it. This isn't room related, but I got this from Marshall's. These are these really cute Hello Kitty holiday tags, and I had to get them. They were like $4, so cute, and there's like 100 of them. Then some more things from Target. I got these pink trees, these 2 red trees, this green tree, this tin that it crushed somehow, but it's just gonna hold my pencils and stuff, and it's not really gonna be out, but that's kind of sad. I got this little snowman, this reindeer, and these 2 holiday containers, which I think I'm gonna put up there, which would look so cute. Oh my god, look at the sunset. That's so pretty. And then here's what's in the box. We have so much tinsel, we have lights, we have trees, even this really cute pink tree I might put up, I'm not too sure yet. There's so much stuff from last Christmas and more stuff in here as well. I had this in my slime room actually. So cute. And guys, I even put up a Christmas scenery on the TV to give the vibes in here. My friend Serena suggested this. But let's get decorating. I'm so excited. Okay guys, it's been about a week and a half and I'm finally done decorating. There's a few more things I want to add in here, but I just want to get this video up for you guys. So let's start at my vanity. So over here, there's really nothing. I do have my Christmas tree hut scrubs and my body washes over here. But then around the vanity, I have this really pretty garland. And then this cute little Christmas house over here. And then over here is this cute present. And then along my vanity too, I have these gingerbread little like salt and pepper shakers, but I think they're really cute for decoration at my vanity. Then moving along there, this is one of my favorite things in my room, is this really cute pink Christmas tree. It reminds me of like gumdrops and stuff, and I love the garland I have along here. Of course, the ornaments as well, and then I have some presents under the tree. And then down here, I have a vintage pink Christmas tree, some Christmas candles from Bath & Body Works, another pink Christmas tree, and that's about it for decoration over here. I was going to put garland along my closet, but I didn't yet, so I might do that very soon. And then over here is one of my favorite parts of the room too. There is a lot happening over here, so I'm going to start out with the gingerbread houses. This is so cute. I had the idea of putting like fake snow down and I love it. I got these gingerbread houses from TJ Maxx and I think they add such a cute pop of color into my room of pink. And then up here, along with my vinyls, I have some vinyls that remind me of Christmas. Over here, I have a gingerbread house tin, a little snowman. Same over here, I have a reindeer and a Christmas tree. I just got this candle yesterday and it smells so good. Then I have this cute tin over here too. It just has like random stuff in there. Then down here, I have another gingerbread man. This really cute mug that I never use, but I love it, so I just put it right there. Then another vintage pink Christmas tree right there. And then here is the Christmas tree, which is basically the main attention of the room. I love this Christmas tree. I got this from Walmart, and it was $30, and it came with pre-lit like rainbow lights on here, which I love. It reminds me so much of vintage Christmas. And I have some really cute ornaments along here. My favorite one is actually this one right here, the little gingerbread men on the little baking sheet. And I also love the tree skirt. This was only like $3, so I love that for the price. And then along the window I have garland, and it's actually like candy cane themed garland with colored lights. Then some little houses over here and trees. Then moving along here, this is another main attention of the room, which is one of my favorite pieces I have for Christmas. It's this pink gingerbread house. I got this on sale last December actually, so almost a year ago, and I had to get it. It was $20. There's a few missing like sprinkles and stuff, but it's so cute and I love all the detailing on it and the glitter. Then along my TV I have these two pink Christmas trees that I got from Target. And then here is my bed. So I didn't want to do too much with my bed. I just had this really cute gingerbread blanket. If you can tell the theme of the room, I love gingerbread man and I love Christmas trees, so I have that there. And then this really cute Rudolph and the girl Rudolph, I forgot her name, blanket. And then on my bed too, I have these really cute pillows. Then also, I came up with this idea of putting candy canes so I can turn the lights on and off, which is so cute. And these are just from the Dollar Tree. Then same as over there. Except over here I have this cute gingerbread like little plate I got from Burlington. Love the price. And I also have another candle which I've been lighting a lot. It smells so good. And then I just have my planner which I use every day. But that was my Christmas room tour. I really hope you guys liked it. I know I was supposed to upload it like a week ago, but I got really sick with a cold. So I'm uploading it now on Thanksgiving. So I really hope you guys like this video today. I hope you guys have a great happy holidays. I'll be uploading so many new videos on my YouTube channel. Also guys, I've been on YouTube for seven years now. Wow, I can't talk. And I've been on YouTube since November 21st, 2016. And that's so crazy to think how long I've gotten on YouTube, like all the milestones I hit. And we're so close to 1 million subscribers, which is so crazy. I just want to say I love you all so much. Thank you so much for all the support. Remember to check out all my YouTube shorts. All my social medias will be linked down below. But I love you guys so much. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector and comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys. I love you so much, and peace and thumbs up for new videos. Bye.